Let's learn our new phoneme for today then. This is W. Can you say that for me? Can you say in a low voice? W. And I can see that there are two letters making up this today. Can you tell me what letters they are? We have W and H. And what do we call it when there are two letters making a sound? It's a digraph. Let's look at the back for the rhyme. On the back, it says a white whale. Can you say that for me? And let's have a go together. Ready? W. A white whale. W. And I can see that there are some words that you need to help me decode. Get your fingers ready to blend them. My turn. W, I, S, K. Your turn. Blend it. The word was whisk. My turn. W, I, T. Your turn. The word was wheat. And the last one for this page, my turn. W, I, S, P, your turn. Blend it. The word was whisper. Who can tell me how many phonemes were making up that word? There were 5. You are right. Now, keep those fingers ready. Turn them into Fred fingers now because we've got some Fred words that you need to help me decode. My turn first. W, U, P. Your turn. Blend it. Whoop. What a strange Fred word. My turn for the next one. W, E, K. Your turn. Blend it. The word was weck. And the last one, my turn. W, ear. Your turn. Blend it. The word was those funny Fred words. Let's go and read some words with the W grapheme in them now. Okay, let's have a go at reading these words then. Remember, we're going to pop the sound buttons on them as we read them. So let's start over here. W, I, F. Whiff. Do you think that's a real word or an alien word? Whiff is actually a real word. Sometimes we might say we caught a whiff of something, and it means smelling something. W, A, N. Wan. That is an alien word. Let's try this one. W, ul. Whirl. What do you think? That's a real word. It's also in our other rhyme for whirl and twirl. Let's try this one. W, A, F. Waif. It sounds a bit like a word that I know, wafer, but this on its own is an alien word. Let's try this one over here. W, I, S. Whis. No, that's an alien word, doesn't make any sense. And the last one, W, I, ul. While. That is a real word. It means if somebody's taking a while, it means they're taking quite a long time to do something. Okay, let's have a go at reading this sentence then. Let's pop the sound buttons on the words. Oh, I can spot a red word first. I. Got. Now remember, this is a speedy green word, so if you can read it straight away without needing all of those sound buttons, that's fine. A. W. There's our grapheme of today. W, I, F. With. Of. The. A, N, your. Manure. Hold on, let's read it again. I got a whiff of the manure. Do you remember we said that if you get a whiff of something, it means you're smelling it? Oh, and do you know what manure is? It's something that you'd find on a farm, and it's pretty stinky because it comes from some of the animals that are there. I got a whiff of the manure. P.U. Okay, let's have a go at writing our W grapheme then. So the two letters that we need are W and H. So we're going to touch the line, sweep up, down the worm, up, down, up, then sweep up the horse's neck, down, over his back. Now, these two letters are different sizes. We have small W and a tall H. So we don't want them to be the same size. So can you have a go at writing a whole line of that grapheme? Now, if you're finding it a bit tricky to get them to hold hands, the join, have a go at doing them on your own first, separately. And if you're finding that W particularly tricky to write, have a go first at forming a zigzag, because that's the same kind of pattern that we want to use when we're writing our W. Okay, let's have a go at looking at the pictures and writing down the word. Oh, I can see a picture of a cat here. If I look, they have got some whiskers. So we're going to have a go at writing whiskers. Let's sound it out. W, I, S, K, S. Let's have a go. Remember, you can pause it here, grown-ups. W, I, S, K, This is better letter, because it usually goes at the end of a word. S, dot on the insect's head. Whiskers. The next one, oh, I can see a big tail coming out of the water there. It must be a whale. Let's sound that out. W, A, L. Let's write it down. W, A. This is our split diagraph. So we hear the A. What's that last sound? W, A, L. Then we add the magic E on the end. The word is whale. And the last one, I can see this is turning, and to me it looks like a wheel. Let's sound that out. W, E, L. And let's write it down. At the start of our words, we are always having our grapheme W. W, E. This is what can you see? E, those two E's making that one sound. And L, wheel. Okay, we're ready for our dictated sentence then. Are you ready? They had to push the wheel down the hill. Say it again. They had to push the wheel down the hill. Remember, grown-ups, you can pause it here, but I'm going to start. You can show this to them after they've finished writing. So they is a red word, so we need to know how to spell it. They had, had to push. Push is another red word. It's P-U-S-H, push. They had to push the, another red word, wheel. W, E, L, wheel, down. D, ow, n, down the hill. I, L, hill. Let's check it. They had to push the wheel down the hill.